It doesn't work. In this video I'm going into more details about the issues I had during my watch winder build. I'm gonna make a new watch holder and inner ring, and I'm gonna test the new motor to see if that works. If you didn't see the watch winder video yet, I suggest you check that one out first. It's linked below and it's also linked at the end of the video. It seems that the motor is not strong enough and the watch is not balanced at all. Well, it's balanced, but it's hanging with its face down. The counterweight was not right, so I printed these three slightly bigger watch holder parts just to try with my watch to see what would still look good while still giving me a lot of extra space to the rear, because if you want to improve the counterweight, you can either place it further from the center so you have a bigger arm, or you can just put more weight in. I tried to do both, so I'm going to use 3 bolts now. I'm going to use 3 bolts and place them further from the center as well, so hopefully that will work a lot better. Rough cut on all the parts, so I stayed about 0.5 to 1 millimeter from the line. I did this because I can sand it to the line, but first I glue them all together. So I glue them all together, doesn't need the highest precision ever, and then I can sand it on the disc sander to the line, and then I have one block that's all equal. The thing I had last time when building this was that the nuts are slightly thicker than the wood, so I wasn't able to glue the parts on top of each other without doing something with it. So this time I'm gonna glue this part of wood on this part of wood, and then I'm gonna drill the holes. For this one I also want to try to cut it with the bandsaw. Even though you will lose some strength, I think it will not really matter on this part, because if I cut it here and I glue the watch holder on, it should be fine, I think. So let's try. Fixed the watch holder, it's much heavier in the back, and the last thing I need to do is to improve the motor. So I ordered these and I got them fairly quick. That's really nice. So today I'm gonna remove the old motor and put this motor on in. The thing is, this is a 12 volt motor, so I cannot use the old 4 battery setup, and I don't really want to fit in 8 batteries because it's a lot. So I bought an adapter as well, which with the adapter it should work fine and you don't have to replace batteries and worry about batteries dying. So So that's what we're gonna do. First I'm gonna switch out the motor. If it works fine, then I'm gonna solder the adapter on. If not, why worry? First I'm gonna swap out the old motor for the new motor, and I'm gonna power it with just my external. Who knows? This over here. Take the fingers out. So. Then that's much better. Look at it.